I've been to a few of Sue's events now, and the thing that really stands out for me about being in the audience of one of Sue's events is that she's able to engage with every single person that's in the audience. Everybody's able to find something that totally resonates with them and it finds a way to change a behaviour off the back of it. For me in particular, from a resilience side, that was really important for me. It helped me to just look forward and get through my challenges and make a difference in how I approach that. In terms of organising events, when you deal with Sue, she's just absolutely open and flexible to how you want to approach it. So you're very much able to tailor it to what your specific needs are. So because she's so knowledgeable in her content and she has a really good grasp of how that will work in any scenario that you're presenting, it just makes it very easy to tailor her approach to what you're trying to achieve. She's just a great person to deal with. It's a really good collaboration with Sue when you're organising your event on the day. Sue will always get there early. She'll advise and help you set up the room in the best way to get that engagement with the audience, to get what you need out of it. Everybody feels comfortable. It's a really relaxed, informal environment. And Sue's very crucial in how you work with that world and how you make sure that everything is in place, ready to go for all your delegates when they arrive.